Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving 6th problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It will be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is the question here? We need to find out LCM and HCF. LCM means least common multiple. HCF means highest common factor. We have to find out LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by using fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Before getting into the problem, we have to know what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Let me explain it by definition. Now we can see the definition of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Then only we will be able to solve this problem easily. This is the definition of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, that is every composite number. What is composite number? Already we have learned about this. Composite number is a number which has more than two factors, right? That is called as composite number. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Prime factors. What is prime factors? Let me explain. And this prime factorization is unique. Now we are going to find out the prime factors of particular number using L method. Okay, for finding prime factors you have to use L method. L method already we have learned about this. For example, if you want to find out the prime factors of number 30, what you have to do? You can use L method. So inside of L shape, we have to write the particular number which we want to find out the prime factor. So I am going to find out the prime factors using L method. Here I am taking 2 here. 2, 1, 2 is 2, remaining 1, 1 and 0, 5, 2, 5 into 2 is 10, right? And then I am taking 3 over here. 5 3s are 15, and again I am taking 5 here. 1 5 is 5, right? So here we have the numbers 2 3 5. These are all the numbers are called as prime factors. Okay, this each and every number is a prime, right? What is prime? Prime is nothing but it's a number which has exactly two factors. Already we had explained. We had learned about all of these topics. So if you haven't watched that video, check that video. Everything is in the playlist in English. And so prime factors of 30 is 2 3 5, right? So how we can write this? We can write 30 equal 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, how we can write 30 equal 2 into 3 into 5. These are all the prime factors of number 30. Okay, so every composite number, here 30 is a composite number, right? It has more than two factors. That's why we can call it as composite number. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Here we have prime factors 2 into 3 into 5. So product of prime factors, and this prime factorization is unique. What is prime factorization? Is unique means how, even though if you are changing the order, like if you are taking 3 into 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 into 3, finally we will be getting same set of prime factors, right? Even though we are changing the orders. Finally, we'll be getting the same set of prime factors. This is called as prime factorization is unique. Okay, this is all about the explanation of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Using this theorem only, we are going to find out LCM and HCF of 170 and 408. That is the question, sixth question in exercise 2.2. Okay, now we are going to find out the solution. So here, now we are going to find out LCM and HCF. Okay, in this case, we have to use fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is the question. So in this case, we have to use L method for finding the prime factors. So for 408, what would be the prime factors? Now I am taking 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. Then 4 2s are 8, right? If I am dividing 4 by 2, I will be getting the quotient as 2 and 0, 0. And if I am dividing 8 by 2, I will be getting the quotient as 4, right? Now, I can take 2 again, right? 2. 1, 2 is 2, 0, 2 2s are 4. Then, again I can take 2, 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10 and 1 2 is 2. Now, we cannot take 2. We can check with 3. 1 3 is 3, remaining 2, 2 and 1 becomes 21, 21. If you are dividing 21 by 3, you will be getting 7 3s are 21, right? 7. So again, we couldn't take any other prime, so I can take only 17. 1 into 17, 17, right? So for 408, we are having the prime factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. Okay, so how we can write 408 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. Need to find out the value of LCM and HCF of 408 and 170, not 7, 170. Okay, 170. So now I can check with number 2. If I am dividing 17 by 2, I will be getting 8 2s are 16, right? Remaining 1 and 0 becomes 10, 5 2s are 10. Now I can take fifth table, right? So if I am taking fifth table, 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5, remaining 3 and 5 becomes 35, 7 5s are 35, right? Now I cannot take any other primes than 17, so I am taking 17. How I can write 170 equal to 2 into 5 into 1, 70. 2 into 5 into 70. Okay. Now, I can write both this together, like 480 equal 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 70. Now we are going to find out LCM. What is LCM here? We need to check out the common factors in both cases. What is common in this both? 408, right? 408 and 170. This 2 and 2 is common in both, and this 17 and 17 is common in both. So I can take only 1 2 in this pair, and also I can take only 117 from this pair. So I'm taking only 1 2 here, and I should write all other factors. 2 into 3 into 7. I'm taking only 117, and 5 in, that's it, right? This is LCM. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17 into 5. How much? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 17. You need to check. 24 into 17. 7 into 4, 28. Remaining 2. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 1 4 is 4. 1 2 is 2. 8, 10, 2, 3, 4, right? 408. Then 408 into 5. How much? 408 into 5. 408 into 5. 8 into 5, 44. 0 into 5, 0. This 4 will be coming here. And 4 into 5, 20, right? This much. 2040. LCM of 408 and 170 is 2040. And now we have to find out the HCF also. HCF is what are the common factors are there. You need to check the common factors in both cases. Here we have 2 and 17, right? We have to take only that prime factors, that is HCF. HCF is 2 into 17. 2 into 17, how much? 34. LCM is 2040. Okay. For highest common factor, we have to take the only common factor from both cases. This is HCF. Okay. This is all about the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170. This is the answer of 6th problem in exercise 2.2. That's all for this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.